Hi everyone, how are you? Yesterday I was talking about the China roadmap, which is a signature system that we at Woodburn have created to help foreign investors with their market entry into China. The idea behind the China roadmap is that we do not want new foreign investors that are going into China to make the same mistakes as the old timers have done back in the day. And it is a signature system that is a step-by-step process to really get you to the stage of growth and scaling up in China. And I want to use the next 9 videos to explain each of the superpowers, which is what I call them, that you need to be able to make sure you're going on the right roadmap, that you're going on the right path as you are getting into the Chinese market. So today we're going to talk about superpower number 1, which is education. And what do I mean by education? Well, very simply, building a knowledge base on doing business in China is vital so that you can make the appropriate decisions at the time that they are needed to be made. And that you don't wait to make those decisions, because China is such a fast-paced market that we have to make decisions timely. And we have to make sure those decisions are the right ones with the idea of scaling up in the future. And we all know the mantra, knowledge is power. So where can we get education? Now, there are all different types of education. There's everything from educating yourself on digital marketing in China, on e-commerce in China, on labor laws, on corporate laws, on a whole wide variety of different things, accounting regulations, tax regulations, etc. So where do we gain this education? Now, again, I know people don't want to be spammed, and I know people don't want to receive thousands of newsletters a day, all in relation to doing business in China. I get that. And we also probably don't have time each day to constantly read things. But what I will recommend is this: get spammed. Get spammed by the newsletters from law firms in China, by accounting firms in China, by digital marketing agencies in China, by all of these different providers, so that you can get immediate updates on the newest regulations, the newest trends, whatever it might be, and save them into a folder in your email inbox. You don't have to read them right there and then, but save those articles so that when you do have a free moment, you can look back at them and just read 1 or 2 articles every so often so you get updated. Alternatively, if you don't like to read, watch the webinars. There are providers, not just Woodburn, who offer webinars and definitely webinar recordings on how to do business in China regarding all aspects, from marketing to accounting, to tax, to legal issues, to PR issues, to trademark and patent issues. I mean, there's a whole range of webinars that are out there that can give you insight on, again, how to do business in China. And predominantly what this information, what this content that you're absorbing should be providing to you is ideas on how to make your company and your business in China more efficient, how you can improve it, and how you can scale up faster. And the minute that there is something in those pieces of material that makes you question something, converse with those providers to get further information. Obviously, we're all on very tight budgets. We don't want to pay necessarily for advisory, but if it is something that's going to help you to scale up your business and protect your business, then think about spending a couple of €100, pounds, US dollars to get the appropriate advice. Education should not be just something that you do in your pre-investment stage into China. It should be something that is continuous, because the regulations are continuously changing. Trends are continuously changing. E-commerce platforms are continuously changing. Social media platforms are continuously changing. The whole landscape can, within a year, turn 180 degrees, as the pandemic showed us last year in 2020. So gaining that education is vital in all aspects of your business. Knowledge is leverage when you're negotiating. Knowledge is leverage to make decisions. Try to get superpower number 1 and follow our tips. And I hope this helps. And I hope to speak to you again soon. Take care and goodbye.